you going? Said, we are taking this melon to see the king. And they said, but the king already has lots of melons. But
this is a talking melon.
A talking melon? Melons can't talk. That's as silly as a brave bush deer, said the melon. They looked so surprised. Because your melon does talk, they said, I will go with you. And they went walking down the road. Soon they met Giraffe. Giraffe said, where are you going? Very good. They said, we are going to take this melon to see the king. But the king already has lots of melons. Because you can say it, but the king has lots of melons. Very good. But
this is a talking melon.
A talking melon? He was so surprised. Melons can't talk. That's as silly as a short giraffe, said the melon. Woo! He was so surprised. Your melon can talk. Nice job. And he said, I will come with you. And they went walking down the road. Soon they met Little Elephant. Where are you going? Said, we are going to take this melon to the king. But the king already has lots of melons. But
this is a talking melon.
That's silly. Right, melons can't talk. That's silly. That's as silly as a skinny elephant. Whoa, said the elephant. It is a talking melon. I will come with you. And they went walking. Soon they met a little turtle. The turtle said, where are you going? We are going to bring this melon to the king. Exactly right. And he said, but the king already has. But
this is a talking melon.
A talking melon? Melons can't talk. That's as silly as a fast turtle, said the melon. Your melon does talk. He was so surprised. I will come with you. Okay, hold the melon tight. They went walking down the street. Soon they came to the king who was sitting on his throne. They all bowed down low. Okay. Okay, we're going to take the melon off.
Okay, sit down, bow down. There you go. Bow down.
What have you brought me, said the king. We have brought you
a melon.
The king said, I have lots of melons. Bow down, sweetie, bow down. Yeah. We all say, but
this is a talking melon.
Well, if it's a talking melon, I don't believe it, said the king. He looked at the melon. Say something. But the melon didn't say anything. Then the king said, don't be shy. I want to hear you talk. Cora and Brandon, talk please. But the melon didn't say anything. Guys, let's not do that, please. Let's not do that. The melon said nothing. The king became angry. I command you to talk, he said to the melon, but the melon still didn't say anything. This is a stupid melon, said the king. Say, this is a stupid melon. the melon spoke. It said, I'm not stupid. I'm not the one talking to melons.